Hi guys, it's Miss Amber. I am a Youth Services Librarian at the Grundy Library. And today for our Hour of Code activity, we're doing Code Crazy Creatures. This is a coding activity that's perfect for our beginner or younger coders. And you can get to it from hourofcode.com. It looks like this. And we're just going to hit start to get coding. So for our first lesson, there's going to be some narration that it starts with. I'm not showing that part. There's also a short video to get you started. Then you can just go up here and drag your blocks. So we are dragging the forest block into our editor. And it looks like that worked very well. We got a great job. And now the directions are prompting us to take the forest block back to the toolbox to remove the picture. So we are dragging the forest blocks over here. So for this one, the directions are saying that we have to take the forest block and put it over here, and then drag the moon and connect it to the bottom of the forest. So now we're going to drag the moon from the bottom of the stack and connect it to the forest on top. So just separating that out, putting it on top. And again, I'm just noticing what happened. Okay, now we're going to remove both blocks by clicking on the moon and dragging them back to the toolbox. So it's showing you that you can pick up both of them just by clicking on this top block. And we're going to get rid of them. Now we're going to create it again so that the forest is in the background and the moon is in front. So we're going to put our forest here. And then we're going to click our moon down to the bottom. And there's our picture again. Okay, so after those lessons, we have now completed the very first level in this Hour of Code activity. So we are going to move on to the next part. And each one gets a little bit harder. They all start out with a little bit of narration with these two characters, which makes the coding activity a little bit more fun. Okay, so now we are going to start coding for this section. And this starts to get a little bit more into the creating a creature side of this program. And that gets more and more exciting as you go along because eventually you get to make your own crazy creatures. For this one, we have a tiger and we need to sort out his body parts because they are in the wrong order. So we have to separate these blocks here. And using what we learned in the first lesson, we need to rearrange them so that they are correct. So as you go along, you're going to continue working on this tiger. And then from there are 3 more levels where you work on your crazy creatures. So I hope that you guys continue coding through this Hour of Code challenge. I hope you have a lot of fun. And Miss Laura and I will see you at our next Grundy Library Code Club. Have a great week. Bye!